American households waste approximately $400 billion every year on things they believe are necessary. Most of it goes unnoticed because the charges feel too small to question. Ryan makes $68,000 a year. He is not poor. But when he actually reads his bank statement for the first time in months, he finds 15 charges he cannot fully justify. That is what makes these different from obvious luxuries. They feel reasonable. They feel like normal life. And that feeling is exactly how $847 a month quietly disappears. $847 a month, redirected and invested for 10 years, builds $146,000. The waste version builds nothing. Here are 15 specific places that money is currently going. Number 1. The extended warranty. Average American household spends $250 to $450 a year on them. Consumer Reports found they almost never pay out because the manufacturer warranty already covers the failure window. The reason extended warranties sell is the moment. You just spent $400 on a laptop. $89 feels like insurance. It is not insurance. It is margin for the retailer. Number 2, the gym membership. 67% of gym memberships in America go completely unused. $58 a month for a building. Most members stopped entering by February. January packed. November empty. The charge is identical either way. The gym business model depends entirely on members who pay, but never show up. Number 3, streaming stacking. The average American household subscribes to 4.5 streaming services and actively watches 1.8 of them, $720 a year, to own 4 remotes and actually use 2. Ryan had been paying for 2 streaming services he forgot he subscribed to, not $5 each, $31 a month combined. $372 a year for content he has not watched in 11 months. Number 4, premium gas in a car that does not need it. If your manual says premium recommended, not required, regular runs fine. $300 to $500 a year, saved by reading 4 words in your owner's manual. Number 5, brand name medications when a generic exists. The FDA requires generics to be bioequivalent, same molecule, same dose, same result. Americans overpay $30 billion a year for the brand name on the label. The pharmacist is required to tell you if a generic exists. Most people never ask. The question takes 4 seconds. The savings can be $150 a month. Number 6, bank fees. Monthly maintenance, overdraft charges, ATM fees. Up to $900 a year paid to a bank for the privilege of storing your own money. Fee-free alternatives exist for every one of these. The checking account works exactly the same. The debit card works exactly the same. The difference is hundreds of dollars a year that either go to the bank or stay with you. Number 7, storage units. 1 in 11 American households rents one. Average cost $180 a month. Most renters have not accessed their unit in over a year. They are paying rent for belongings they do not use in a building they do not visit. Sell the contents. Keep the cash. Invest the monthly storage fee. After 5 years, the storage renter spent $10,800 to hold declining possessions. The seller and investor built $12,800. Number 8, bottled water. Average household $500 a year. Tap water for the same volume, 50 cents. A $30 filter pays for itself in 3 weeks. Americans spend $16 billion a year on bottled water, much of it in cities with perfectly safe tap water. Number 9, app subscriptions. Average American 12 paid apps. 4 actively used, $86 a month. The free trial that converted to paid and was never canceled is a business model. It depends entirely on you not noticing. Ryan spends 40 minutes canceling forgotten subscriptions. He recovers $58 a month. That is $696 a year he was paying for nothing. The work was 40 minutes. The result is permanent. Number 10. Buying new when used is functionally identical. A $400 KitchenAid mixer 2 years old on Facebook Marketplace, $140. Same mixer. Same function. The depreciation happened to someone else. 6 categories where used is functionally identical to new and costs 50 to 90% less. The only difference is who absorbed the first depreciation hit. Make it someone else. Number 11, convenience premiums. The convenience store markup. The delivery app fee plus service fee plus tip. Average American pays over $2,200 a year for the privilege of not driving to a grocery store. A $9 order through a delivery app, $23.78 paid by the time every fee and tip stacks. 3 times the food cost for the food to travel 4 miles. Number 12, credit card interest on a carried balance. $630 a year for the average balance at the average rate paid to a bank for money you already spent on things you no longer own. Number 13, cable TV in 2026. $180 a month for 200 channels, 9 of which are actually watched. Internet only, plus 1. Streaming service $70 a month. The $110 difference is $1,320 a year for channels left on in the background. Number 14. Impulse purchases triggered by notifications. Average American $183 a month in unplanned online purchases. The sale notification is not informing you. It is triggering a dopamine response engineered by a team of behavioral scientists. The simplest fix: delete the apps, not cancel the accounts. Delete the apps. Every unplanned purchase requires you to reinstall. That single friction prevents most of the impulse. Number 15. Paying for convenience without doing the math. Some conveniences are worth the premium they buy back irreplaceable time. Many are not. They buy back 20 minutes and cost $85. The difference is knowing which is which. Ryan's complete audit, 15 categories. $942 a month in waste. He had never looked at as a single number. He has not changed his income. He changed what he looked at. Your number will be different from Ryan's. The exercise is not to eliminate all enjoyment. It is to see the full total as a single number for the first time. Most people have never done that. The reason small recurring charges survive is psychology. A $1,200 purchase gets evaluated carefully. A $12 monthly charge never gets reevaluated. Companies know this. $12 a month is $144 a year. But $144 upfront would get canceled immediately. Quarterly subscription audit. Every 3 months, 30 minutes. One question for every recurring charge. Would I buy this again today? If the answer is uncertain, cancel. You can resubscribe if you actually miss it. Almost nobody resubscribes. Ryan does not eliminate all $942. He targets the obvious $500 unused gym, forgotten apps, bank fees, streaming stacking, bottled water. $500 redirected for 20 years, $260,000. Same income, different destination. The goal is not to live on nothing. The goal is to make every dollar a decision instead of a default. Defaults cost Ryan $942 a month. Decisions will cost him exactly what he actually wants to spend. 6 months later, Ryan's life looks the same from the outside. Same apartment, same car, same social life. His investment account, $3,100 more than 6 months ago from money he was previously sending to waste. Screenshot this. Fill in your actual monthly cost for each category. Add up the total. That number, your number, is what you are currently choosing over building wealth. Every dollar has a default destination. The companies who charged you for something you forgot about. Reclaiming it requires only one thing: actually looking. Subscribe to Wealth Construct. Share this with someone who has never done a subscription audit. The 40 minutes might recover more than they expect. Which of the 15 hit you hardest? Drop it in the comments. I read every one. The real math, always. I'm Professor Alex. This is Wealth Construct. Wealth Construct. The real math, always.